2016 Ford Fusion V6. What we did on is a muffler delete. I recorded before, you guys saw how big the muffler is. This is the resonator. We kept the resonator on. He doesn't want it too loud inside the cabin. So we did just a muffler delete on it right there, as you guys can see. And put a nice chrome 4-inch tip on it right there. Fill up that gap nicely. Always you want the muffler shop to tuck them up, so when it's on the ground you don't see it at all. You just see the tip. Let you guys hear it in a second. Ford Fusion. It's perfect. Yeah, it's just perfect, nice deep tone. Have a great day, sir. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Feel me like a Hellcat.